Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys we have
Area
because we got some gift mail guys from Lori from 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽 guys. She sent us something and she said open it with Ariel, so I have her right here with me guys. First day of winter vacation guys, so it's like she's like in her pajamas, she's all decked out guys. So guys, let's see what Lori sent us. By the way, thank you so much guys. Go check out her channel. She does have a giveaway going on because she's about to hit 1K guys. When she hits 1K, she is giving away an amazing Louis Vuitton Murakami notebook guys. Yes, I know. Oh my gosh. Right, Ariel? Oh my god. I'm so excited. What if I win? I know Ariel would probably want to take it, but guys, go check it out. Enter the giveaway guys. Oh my gosh. Definitely the giveaway of the year guys. And, She says she's gonna take it. Guys, go enter the giveaway and subscribe to her channel, guys. She is the sweetest. Please, please, please tell her I sent you. Okay, let's open it up. Yes, heart. Okay, guys, so we got the packages right here. It's 2 different packages, and Ariel's gonna open it. So I think she said to wait. She said to open the big one first. So you're gonna open the big one first, okay? I got my hand dandy crafty knife. She already knows, guys. Got pelos everywhere. I'm gonna open it for you to be on the safe side. I'm not gonna see what's inside, okay, Ariel? Okay, Ariel, open it up. Yeah, close your eyes. Open it up. Open it up. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Wait, it's covered up.
What? A box in a box. Let me see. It has a little note. Open it. Open it. Yeah, it's a box in a box. 2 notes. Let me see what it says. It says, I hope you love it from Smiling Cats Couture. Oh. Say thank you, Lori.
I love cats.
You love cats. Say thank you, Lori.
Thank you, Lori.
Okay, so let me open this up again. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Open it, open it, open it. Open it, open it, open it. What is it? What is it? Oh, they're ornaments. Wait. Is that a tree? With jack faces on it?
What's it?
Hold on. What is it? What is it? What is it?
It's something black.
It's something black? Oh, wait, open it. Open it. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Nothing.
Nothing? It's just like nothing. So it's just black. I think it's like so you can put
On the tree.
the tree over it, right? I think so. Okay. Put this to the side real quick. So it has like little jack ornaments. Oh my gosh.
Purple ornament.
It has like the base. Wait, I think we're gonna have to put it together. Is this a tree?
A little tree.
A little tree? Oh, we need batteries. Hold on. Do we have batteries? Hold on. I'm trying to like be careful. Look, guys. I'm trying to be careful to not drop anything. Hold on. Yes, it's a tree, right?
Yeah.
A jack tree, guys. Oh my god. Lori. Oh my god, guys. Yes, Ariel's face is my face too right now. It's a tree! We got a jack tree. How cool. Guys.
But, Mom.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. It says Merry Christmas. Oh. We're going to set this up, guys. We're going to set it up. It's a cute little mini tree. Yeah, me and you.
Yeah.
How cute with all the little ornaments.
Oh, it can be like a cleaning thing, but it's true.
A duster. She's saying it looks like a duster. Okay, so we're gonna set this up in a bit. And then the other little bag, she did say that it's for this. So let's open it up real quick. Okay, open it up. There you go. Do you know how to do this one? Strength. Use that strength. I realize the ornaments don't have hooks. Ha 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 ha. I'm smiling. Cats Couture. So I'm guessing
they're lights.
They're little hooks for the ornaments. Yeah, they don't. But you know, we could just hook them up with the little circle thing that it came with. Let me see. So they're little hooks for the trees. Okay. Guys, we're gonna set up this tree. Oh my gosh, Lori, the tree is so cute, and it's Jack. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's so cute. I can't wait to set it up. What are you doing?
Charlotte.
Are you okay? That's her smile, guys. I don't know, but oh my gosh, Lori, it's so cute. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I know Ariel's super excited to set it up, right, Ariel? Thank you. I love it. Thank you for the bracelet too. I'm actually wearing it, and I'm gonna be opening one up every single day until Christmas. Look at this, right, Ariel? It's so cute. Ariel's gonna be
letting us.
Yeah, I'm
Wait,
letting
did you
her.
already open it?
No, we're gonna open up one after this, or should we do it in the video?
Do it in the video.
Where is it?
Over there.
Okay, go get it. Ariel's gonna open up
Number
day
6.
Yeah, day 6 right now. Since we're doing a video, might as well. I was doing like shorts every day, but today we'll do it in the video.
Oh, what happened if I messed it up?
You got it.
It's little messy.
It's a little messy. You got it.
Yeah. What?
You stuck? Do you know?
No, I got it. Oh, so cute.
Oh, it's little Max.
Ruff, ruff.
That's so cute. We're halfway done, guys. Oh my gosh, Christmas is
Yes,
right around the corner.
we-
How many more do we need?
6.
6 more? Okay, let me put it in my
6.
bracelet.
Can I put it?
Do you know how?
Yeah.
Put it.
What?
It doesn't matter. Just put it somewhere.
There.
Wow, guys. Oh my god, look. I'm all charmed up. So cute. I love this little bracelet. And I can't wait to get more charms. So cute.
1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6.
Yeah. So almost done. I'll continue to do shorts after this, guys.
Until this Christmas.
Let's go set up that tree. Okay, guys, so the tree is done. Look at it. It is so cute with the little purple lights. I just love it. And Lori knows me so well. She got me a Jack Christmas tree, guys. It's just so adorable. Lori, thank you so much. I love it. We love it, guys.
Thank you, Lori, for the tree. I love it.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not. Go check out Lori's channel, guys. She is so close to 1K. Let's get her there for Christmas as a thank you, and enter her giveaway, guys, because it is a must-have. So thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Happy holidays. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas if I don't post anything by then, because guys, it's next week. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
And we're going to snow.
Yeah, we might go to snow. We're waiting for it to snow here so we can go, but it just hasn't snowed. So guys, see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.